झूठा ही सही पल
This fish can hit you like a missile when it jumps out of the water. The impact can be similar to that of a head crashing into the steering wheel during a car crash. Meet Arapaima fish, a fascinating and ancient fish species.
No, it's not over there. Maybe it's around here. Meow.
It's my life, it's now or never. But I ain't gonna live forever.
अरे नाग बाबा सो रहे हो क्या? अरे कुछ तो इशारे दो भैया, कुछ तो बताओ। तेरी माँ का गाड़ फाड़ दी।
You ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
It's okay. It's okay, Daddy. Yeah.
You're my honey bunch.
செல்லம், இந்த மீனை வாங்கிட்டு போய் நம்ம வீட்டில் வளர்க்கலாமா?
The flowers, I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds, pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you.
अल्लाह मेरी मम्मा कहाँ चली गई? मैं मम्मा को ढूंढती हूँ। अम्मा जी कहाँ चली गई हो? मुझे भूख लगी है मम्मा भी।
You okay, baby?
Dum dum dun, dum dum dun.
So move out the way. I am a right.
Huh? Huh?
Guess what time it is?
Please don't say jump a clock, Greg.
It's jump a clock!
Greg, for the last time, that's not a real thing!
Oh, jump a clock is my favorite time.
Well, my favorite time is time to die, Greg! Oh, I'm bringing it to all your 9 lives!
Oh, your lucky mom saved you.
Yeah, you would say that, scaredy cat.
This adorable video shows a kitten trying to bond with one of her owners, who doesn't happen to be a cat guy. The way this little kitten snuggles with him and he smiles is so precious. This is the kind of video that is wholesome through and through.
You are my honey bun sugar plum.
Bonk.
Huh?
I owed him up.